Session 2. Read natin. The Tale of the Three Brothers. There were once three brothers who were traveling along a lonely, winding road at twilight in time. The brothers reached a river, too deep to wade through and too dangerous to swim across. However, these brothers were learned in the magical art, and so they simply waved their wands and made a bridge appear across the treacherous water. They were halfway across it when they found their path blocked by a wooden figure, and it was dead. He was angry that he had been cheated out of three new victims. For travelers usually drown in the river, but that was cunning. He pretended to congratulate the three brothers upon their magic, and said that each had earned a prize for being clever enough to evade him. So, the oldest brother, who was a combative man, asked for a wand more powerful than any in existence, a wand that must always win battles for its owner, a wand worthy of a wizard who had conquered death. So that had across to an elder tree on the banks of the river, fashioned a wand from branch that had hung there, and gave it to the oldest brother. Then the second brother, who was an arrogant man, decided that he wanted to humiliate the still further, and asked for the flower to recall other from death. So that picked up a stone from the river bank and gave it to the second brother, and told him that the stone would have the power to bring back the dead. Finally, death returned to the third brother, a humble man. He asked for something that would enable him to go forth from that place without being followed by death. And so it was that death reluctantly handed over his own cloak of invisibility. In due course, the brothers separated each for his own destination. The first brother traveled for a week or more, than reaching a distant village, sought out a fellow wizard with whom he had a quarrel, naturally with the elder one as his weapon. He could not fail to win the duel that followed, leaving his enemy dead upon the floor. The oldest brother processed in an inn where he boasted of the powerful wand which he had snatched from death himself, and of how it made invisible. That day night, another wizard crept upon the oldest brother as he lay wine-sodden upon his bed. The thief took the wand, and for good measure slit the oldest brother's throat, and so death took the first brother for its own. Meanwhile, the second brother journeyed to his own home, where he lived alone. Here he took out the stone which had the power to recall the dead, and returned it trius in his hand. To his amazement and delight, the figure of the girl he had once hoped to marry before her untimely death appeared at once before him. Yet she had so called separated from him as through by a veil. True, she had returned to the mortal world. She did not truly belong there, and suffered. Finally, the second brother, driven mad by hopeless longing, killed himself, so as to truly join her and so Death took the second brother for its own. But through Death's search for the third brother for many years, he was never able to find him. It was only when he had attained a great age that the youngest brother finally took off the cloak of invisibility and gave it to his son, and then he greeted Death as an old friend. When with him gladly and as equal, they departed this life.
Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng spelling para makita kung may natutunan ka nga ba talaga.
Yun natin.
Number 1, twilight. Number 2, dangerous. Number 3, treacherous. Treacherous. Number 4, conquered. Conquered. Number 5, humiliate. Number 6, destination. Number 7, amazement. Number 8, invisibility. Number 9, attained. Attained. Number 10, snatch. Number 11, quarrel. Number 12, fashion. Number 13, wine sudden. Wine sudden or sudden. Okay? Wine sudden. Number 14, untimely. Reluctantly. Number 16, cunning or kuning. Kuning. Number 17, existence. Na? 18, arrogant. Number 19, drone. Number 20, combative. Combative. So, ngayon, i-check ko kung ilan yung nakuha mo o yung tama mo. So, number 1 is U to I. Ay, U or A?
U po.
Untimely. Reluctantly. Ang final score mo is 13 out of 20.